Hey everybody, how you doing? Okay, we have a Heathkit SB200 in for repair. Went ahead and tested the tubes. They test okay. Tested them on my TV7 tube tester. Customer wanted a soft key added, so I'm adding a Harbach Electronics soft key kit. Notice the parasitic chokes aren't proper, so I will rewind them and also fix this mess. Upon opening the bottom, I noticed you have the B positive going to the rectifier. It has a Harbach filter cap board, which I'll show you once I flip it over. Looks like someone spliced a piece of high voltage wire together and wrapped it in medical tape, and they used medical tape to secure all the wiring. You have the power cable. It looks like they changed it, but they couldn't get it through the grommet, so they cut back the insulation and put electrical tape around the conductors and then put it through the grommet. So I'll fix that while I'm in here. There's the beautiful Harbach board right there. This one added diodes to protect the meter in case there's a short. It'd be positive. I already put these nuts here. He had the doorknob cap on the stud, so it was making its connection by threads, and it loose since the stud was bottoming out. So I added the nuts, and I'll put a star washer there, so when I go to tighten it, it'll be nice and secure. I'll go ahead and oil the fan motor, and then test it. So that's about it. Heathkit SB220 for now. I will be back. Okay everybody, bottom's done. Forgot to add before that that actually has a soft start kit, which is also from Harbach Electronics. Okay, so the soft key's installed. Everything's all done. I got rid of that medical tape, replaced the high voltage wire with some no GTO high voltage wire. I got rid of the medical tape over here. Everything was soldered nice underneath, but I ended up redoing the power cord. I put one of these type of strain relief, cord strain relief pieces on, so it's nice and sturdy, secure. Stripped it back, resoldered everything. This was actually missing the terminal strip. The guy, I don't know why, the wires are super short to go to the transformer, so changing this over to 240 would be a pain if the person ends up wanting to do it. I don't have a terminal strip. That would have been a lot more work, so the customer just wants this fixed and he's going to resell it and end up purchasing another amplifier from me. So that's all hooked up. Cleaned everything up. You get a good look. Everything's zip tied now. Like I said, no more medical tape. Put some heat shrink on the lead instead of the electrical tape he had. He had electrical tape all over also, and medical, like I said. So everything else looks good. Oiled the fan. That's it. That's it for the bottom, and I will flip it over and show you the top. Okay, here's the top. We did the parasitic suppressors. Lead lengths are super short. You can see everything's all soldered nice. Plate blocking capacitor. This again usually comes with those red ones. I already had a replacement high energy corp one. That was rated for 7.5 kV at 1000 picofarads. It's overkill, but Harbach board once again, so everything's all done. There's Heathkit SB220. That's just a piece of masking tape that comes off. So thanks for watching, and there will be many more videos to come.